Hello everybody, myself Ananda Vinayak from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to learn about the unique nature of web apps. So let's go into the topic. Introduction to web apps. Web apps are applications that run on web browsers. They are accessed through the internet instead of being installed on a device. Web apps of cross-platform compatibility, making them accessible on various devices. Accessibility and convenience. Web apps provide users with the convenience of accessing their data from any device with an internet connection. Users can easily update and maintain web apps without the need for manual installations. Accessibility features in web apps make them inclusive for users with disabilities. Scalability and flexibility. Web apps can easily scale to accommodate a growing number of users without significant infrastructure changes. Developers can update web apps in real time, providing users with new features and improvements instantly. Web apps can be easily integrated with other services and APIs, enhancing their functionality. Security and privacy. Web apps use HTTPS encryption to protect user data and ensure se- secure communication. Developers can implement security measures such as authentication and authorization to safeguard user information. Privacy policies and data protection regulations govern the collection and use of personal data in web apps. For example, website visitors, plain text data, plain text data, plain text data to website servers. This is how insecure website communication works. How secure website communication works, for example, website visitor, plain text data, encrypted key, and data is locked. So encrypted name again plain data to the server website. So offline functionality. Progressive web apps known as WPWAs allows user to access web apps even when offline or within a poor internet connection. Service workers enable web apps to catch data, providing a seamless offline experience. Users can add PWAs to their devices' home screens for quick access similar to native apps. Cost effectiveness. Developing web apps is cost effective compared to building native apps for multiple platforms. Maintenance and update for web apps are generally more straightforward and less expensive. Web apps reduce hardware and software requirements for users, lowering overall costs. Collaboration and sharing. Web apps facilitate collaboration among users by following real-time editing and sharing of documents and files. Users can easily share web app link with others promoting collaboration and communication. Web apps support multi-user access enabling teams to work together efficiently. Analytics and insights. Web apps can track user interactions and behaviors, providing valuable insights for developers and business. Analytics to help optimize web apps performance, user experience, and marketing strategies. Data-driven decisions based on web app analytics can lead to improved user engagement and ROI. Continuous integration and deployment. Web app deployment process can benefit from continuous integration and deployment practices. Automated testing and deployment pipeline ensure rapid and reliable updates for web apps. CI/CD pipelines streamline development workflows, leading to faster release cycles and improved quality. Conclusion: the unique nature of web apps offer numerous benefits in terms of accessibility, scalability, security, and cost effectiveness. Web apps continues to evolve with technologies like PWAs, enhancing user experiences and functionality. Embracing the unique characteristic of web apps can lead to innovative solutions and opportunities for business and developers. So thank you guys. Thank you for listening.